Hello guys, welcome back to another special video. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. Just look at my back where I am right now. What is this place? Where I am. You must be wondering where I am. You can see that big bulldozer from Hyundai company. You can see that cement factory over there and huge chunk of land where I am. Yes guys, I am in Prayagraj. You are not going to believe it. This is Prayagraj and it is going to be the 6-lane future bridge which is going to start from Fafamau and end up in something Norabad area. So this construction is going on over here. There is a German Shepherd dog going on. Say hi. So guys are saying hi to the vlog. So this is it guys. We are just vlogging. We just turned up. We are exploring Prayagraj. I hope you also did like the video. Just we are going to see some more things over here. So you can see there are some pillars already constructed. Please zoom that, mister. And this is me. And there is the beautiful sun behind. Oh my god, the sun has already set. So that was this. And we are going to see this bridge constructed at the end of this year in December 2023. So that was it in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for such more amazing contents from Prayagraj. So we are going to explore Prayagraj. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.